In real time what it takes putting one of these together. I put a top one down, I grab a side, I glue up the top of the side, a little bit of glue, slide it on here, grab another top, or another side I mean, glue up the top, which is the wider portion, slide it on, don't nail it yet. I take my bottom rail, a little bit of glue, slide that together. These are holding these crown staples pretty good. The wood seems pretty decent. Crown staple there. Crown staple there. Two crowns there. Two. They're not splitting apart or anything. They're holding together pretty well. Once that glue dries, they're going to be great, I think. No splitting. Pretty cool. And now I grab one of the frames. Like I said, I was doing this real time, but I end up gabbing anyways. Slide that in. Pop that in right there. I don't know, it probably takes a minute or so to throw one together. That's about it.